Making 5 grand a month cleaning windows isn't a guess, guys. It's just simple math. So in this video, I'm going to show you exactly how many jobs you need, different pricing structures you can use, and how to hit 5K a month as fast and simple as possible. Let's get into it. First, let's break this down into numbers we can actually work with. For residential cleaning, you can charge an average price of about $12 per pane. And since there's about 15 panes on the average sized house, that's going to be about $180 a house, give or take. So 5 grand divided by 180 is going to be 28 average sized houses a month. Pro tip, you can also offer screen cleaning at $5 a screen and hard water removal at like $50 to $100 per job. That's going to increase your overall profit per house. For storefronts, since the average monthly contract size is about $250 to $400 per store, you can easily combine it with residential cleaning. So with like 5 stores at $300 a month, that's $1,500 plus 18 residential jobs at $200. That's going to be like $3,600. So 36 plus 1,500, that's going to be $5,100 a month, guys. So that's not bad. It's not complicated. It's just a numbers game. So do the math, put in the work, and you're going to get results fast. Pro tip, guys, stacking those storefronts is going to be great because they'll pay you every month, which makes your income a lot more predictable as you grow. For commercial contracts, those usually pay around $500 to $1,500 per location, and all you really need is like 5 locations at $1,000 or 10 locations at $500, and boom, that's 5 grand. Keep in mind though, guys, commercial jobs usually require that you have insurance, but they do pay way more per job, and they can easily turn into long-term contracts. Now let's break this down into a weekly plan so you can see exactly what you need to do to make this happen. 5 residential cleanings a week, 2 to 3 storefronts a week, and 1 to 2 commercial jobs a week, and that's going to get you to 5 grand a month, guys. Easy. And to make it happen faster, you can do multiple houses or businesses in a neighborhood to save time and gas. Offer bi-weekly or monthly cleaning so you can build your consistent income. And you can also sell add-ons like screen cleaning, gutter cleaning, or pressure washing to increase your profits per job. Also, you can raise your prices over time once your demand starts growing. 5 grand a month is totally doable, and like I said, guys, it's just a numbers game, so keep it simple. Pick your pricing, figure out how many jobs you need to do, which ones, commercial, residential, storefront, and start booking them, guys. Stick to the plan and you're gonna hit that 5 grand faster than you think.